First Carnatic War ended by Alex L. Chapley Treaty. Third Carnatic War ended by Treaty of Paris. Second Carnatic War ended by Treaty of Inclusive War. First Mysore War, Britishers lost. Pondicherry, French. Goa, Portuguese. Trans-Cuba, Danish. Madras, Dutch. Dutch, Pulicorte. British, Hooghly. Portuguese, Goa. French, Chinsura. Dutch East India Company established a factory in Patna 1632. Who used Hooghly as a base for piracy in Bay of Bengal? Portuguese. About Mughal Emperor Bahadur Shah Zafar, it said that empire extended from his empire was nothing, he was just a pensioner for British. Whom the Mughals sent Raja Mohan to invite to London? Akbar II. Who adorned with the title of Raja? Akbar II. Raja Mohan को अकबर का राजा का टाइटल में दिया था. Correct about Bahadur Shah. He was emperor without emperor. Ibrahim Haq and Asafullah Ghalib were his poetry teachers. Hasan Akhri was his spiritual guide. He received less than pension. पेंशन को मिलता था उस समय 1 लाख रुपए. 15 लाख रेंटल प्रॉपर्टी मिलता था. First historian who pointed the theory of Jagir crisis was Satish Chandra. A well-known poet was original resident of Agra. Blue water policy, D. Almeida. Base for piracy in Bay of Bengal. Hooghly was base piracy for Portuguese. Established by Portuguese. Hooghly में फैक्ट्री उन्होंने एस्टेब्लिश किया था 1500. Name the role of Vikram Vasco da Gama, Jamurin. Which French community was first to establish trade relation in India? Portuguese. Actual founder of Portuguese power, Albuquerque. First vice of Portuguese colony was Almeida. ट्रेडिंग सेंटर कहाँ डाला? नगरीपट्टनम, चिंसुरा, मछलीपट्टनम में डाला. In 1613, British East India Company gave permission to set up factory at Surat. Where did British set up their first trading center in India? Surat. Which one of the following individuals was first to establish Surat? British. The ruler of England at the time of formation of East India Company was Elizabeth I. During the time of its Jahangir. Which of the following was first port constructed in British India? Fort St. George. Diwani to East India Company, Shah Alam II.